There are many meanings we associate with the ringing of a bell. Meditation, cleansing, the birth of a baby. An angel gets a pair of wings. Whatever it may be, it is always beautiful to hear the ringing of a bell. According to Tibetan Buddhism, the ringing of a bell represents an offering in order to accumulate positive karma. The bell represents wisdom, so ringing the bell is the sound of wisdom which purifies confusion. Some hang the Buddha ball bead bell on the front door, inviting in positive karma, wisdom, and will always have a heads up if someone is entering the door. Some hang them in a tree or trellis to enjoy their beauty and sweet tinkling sound. Some use them for meditation, and some for decoration. However you choose to use your Buddha ball bead bell, each is unique. No two are alike. The Buddha ball bead bell is hand-strung with specially selected healing stones, crystals, and brass accents, all ending in lucky jade. Each has a tin bell ranging in size from 2 to 3 inches, and every individual bell makes its own unique sound. And the Buddha ball bead bell would not be complete without its namesake, the Buddha ball bead. Find the Buddha in the bead, and you find yourself. Namaste.